Hey, happy Monday, folks. 6 a.m. here in Chicago. Hope everybody enjoyed the weekend. Big week on tap. Last full week before the holidays. We've got a Fed meeting and the announcement coming out on Wednesday, discussion around whether or not they're going to change their bond buying program and increase that with this uptick in COVID-19 we've seen. Still have a lot of rumblings about vaccines. Pfizer starts rolling out and shipping vaccines last week. Those vaccines are starting to land and starting to be distributed. Great news on that front. And then finally, we have this $900 billion stimulus package going to the floor of Congress today. The thoughts on how they're going to be able to push this through is dividing it into a more contentious part on one side and then a part that should be approved with very little discussion on the other side. Should get more word on that this week as well, potentially as soon as today. So how are the markets reacting to all of this? We're seeing the equity markets up this morning heading into the Monday morning open. Dow Jones up north of 200 points. We're seeing oil, another explosion in Saudi Arabia. So we're seeing oil rally up over 1% this morning, north of $47 a barrel in WTI. And in FX, look at that British pound. Once again, a 1.5% move on Brexit negotiations. They've extended that deadline. So again, further hopes that they'll be able to get a deal and there will not be this hard exit. The pound now up above one spot 34 once again. So big week, a lot going on. Again, things are going to start to slow down next week. So everything's going to get crammed into this week. Could create an immense amount of volatility. Let's go out there. Let's get after it today. Hope everybody has a great one. I'll check in with you again tomorrow. Make sure you follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and all the other social media channels.